Okay, so we are on the same chapter, poverty as a challenge. Now the topic is interstate disparities. Now in this particular paragraph, you will be seeing the inequality, the disparities in different states of India. For example, which is the poorest state according to the book? Turn the page and you can see. Here you can see the poorest state as per 2011 census is Bihar, and overall the state which is the least sufferer of poverty is Kerala. So in this way you can see the position of different states in terms of poverty. So let us read the paragraph and know more about such disparities. Thank you. Here you can see in this paragraph that poverty in India has a different aspect and dimension. It means that every state is witnessing a different kind of struggle with the poverty, right? The proportion of poor people is not same in every state. In this paragraph you can see, and if you will see the bar graph given on page number 36, this graph, you can see the different level of poverty on the basis of different states. For example, if you will see the first position Bihar, like Bihar has the most number of poor people available, and according to this Kerala is the least sufferer of the poverty. Like they have many schemes and facilities by which the poor people have improved. Now here you can see, according to this paragraph, no doubt the poverty ratio has declined, but at the same time some states are there who are constantly witnessing or who are constantly facing the same situation. Now recent estimates show that all India headcount ratio was to 21.9%. Means if it is headcount ratio, it is like overall from each and every state equally it is like 21.9% according to 2011 and 12 census. But states like MP, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, they have above all poverty level. Here you can see in this particular graph, जहाँ पर फर्स्ट 4 स्टेट्स में मध्य प्रदेश भी आ रहा है, बिहार, उड़ीसा, असम, मध्य प्रदेश एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. You can see according to this survey, and this survey was an economic survey of 2017 and 18 in fact. Now The two poorest states, no doubt, Bihar and Odisha, with the ratio of 33.7 and 32.6% respectively. Now, what kind of poverty they are facing? No doubt, not only rural but also urban. At the same time, they are lacking in the basic needs. Basic needs क्या क्या हो गई? Clean drinking water, proper sanitation. Then, apart from that, good education, literacy rate. At the same time, infant mortality rate. What do you mean by infant mortality rate? Infant means छोटे एकदम नवजात बच्चे जो जस्ट अभी जिनका बर्थ हुआ है, and mortality means death, मृत्यु. Rate means वो the particular rate. So like ऐसे infant mortality rate IMR में भी ये सब states पिछड़े हुए हैं. Like जहाँ पर छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं infants, they die very oftenly. उसको infant mortality rate, उस rate को infant mortality rate बोला जाता है. So ये सब states जो है वहाँ पर कहीं न कहीं IMR भी बहुत high चलता है. Illiteracy rate high है. At the same time basic जो needs होती है they are not like so satisfying data उसके लिए. अब in comparison, now if you compare these states with other kind of state, like not kind, other states of India, for example Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal and Haryana, Punjab, there you can see a traditional succeed in the field of poverty, like they are growing with different aspects. Now if you talk about Punjab and Haryana, they are growing because of agriculture. That is why you are seeing that the people of or the farmers of Punjab and Haryana, they are playing an active role in farmers protest, because they are growing because of agriculture only. At the same time, if you will see the different states, why they are successful in removing power, reducing poverty in their states. For example Kerala, because of human resource development, they are like providing more employment to the people. Because of that the rate is low. At the same time, if you see the West Bengal, there they have land reforms. Land reform measures means like different kind of particular lands are there, जिनको क्या कर रहे हैं, proper distribute, जिससे क्या हो रहा है, proper landless farmers वाली problem solve हो रही है. In the same way, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, they have a good public distribution system from where they are distributing food grains and many more resources which are needed for basic needs, उनकी distribution की वजह से they have a developed PDS, public distributory system, जिसकी वजह से they are reducing poverty in their particular state. Even the concept of PDS वो भी तमिलनाडु से ही आया है. PDS system वो पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट था, ये नया था सबके लिए. तमिलनाडु वाज द स्टेट जिसने क्या किया था, ये इस सिस्टम की शुरुआत की थी. एंड सूनर और लेटर एवरी स्टेट अडॉप्टेड दिस स्कीम. जो मध्याह्न भोजन लाइक मिड डे मील, दैट स्कीम वाज आल्सो गिवन बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेट ओनली. So like, and if you will see the development there, different industries are there. So in each and every industry, whether it is cement, whether it is chemical or agro based industries or resource based mineral based industries, everywhere you will see the name of which state are we talking about? Tamil Nadu. That state is growing well. And no doubt Maharashtra, there is a poverty, but because of development and big availability of big cities like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, इनकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, वो ग्रो कर रहा है. People are getting employed. Okay, so next is global poverty scenario.
Although there has
Now, just now we discussed about interstate disparities. Now we are going to discuss about global poverty scenario. It means, like if you will see the global scenario of poverty, you will see a different kind of things because of parameters are different for different countries. But overall, if you see the statement of World Bank, you will be able to see like World Bank has defined it as the people living on less than $1.90 per day. 1.90, this is dollar, don't think that it is rupee, per day, and this is for per day. $1.90 per day. Those who are getting nearby. तो ये जो है, जो इससे कम अर्न करते हैं, according to them they are poor. So there was 36% in 1990 to 10% in 2015. See, there is a wide range of declination in terms of poverty. पहले 36 थे 1990 के आसपास, and now they are only 10%. Although there has been a substantial, no doubt, global poverty has reduced, but regional differences are there. Regional differences means in some countries it has declined very nicely, but in some countries it is like running constantly. There is no change, or you can say some countries are getting poor day by day. Now if we talk about the countries like Southeast Asian countries and China, because of rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development, the number of poor, like Southeast Asia की बात करें और China की बात करें specifically, so because of their massive investment programs and economic growth, ये जो पॉवर्टी रेशो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा गिरा है. फॉर एग्जांपल स्पेसिफिकली चाइना की बात करें तो 88.3% पीपल वर पुअर इन 1981 एंड इन 2008 दे हैव ओनली 14.7% and even 0.7 in 2015 means not only like 1% people are also not poor, only 0.7 according to 2015 survey. Now if we'll focus on some South Asian countries including India like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan as well as India, there also have been a rapid declination. For example, 34% people were poor overall in South Asian countries in 2005 और जो अब घट के 16.2% हो चुका है 2013 में. With the decline in percent of the poor, the number of poor has also declined significantly from, अब no doubt ये rate तो गिरा है. rate क्यों गिरा है? Because poor people are getting less in number. Change the book. Keep silent. So now it may be the older version of the book, because of that the ratio is whether it is varying from the current book or it may be not available. Okay. तो अब बात करें नंबर ऑफ पीपल की, तो 510.4 मिलियन in 2005 and now they have only 274.5 million in 2013. So here you can see the rate of poverty is declining day by day, but still we are facing the same challenge as we were witnessing at the time of independence. If we talk about India specifically, sub-Saharan countries means African countries, there you can see poverty rate is declining from 51% to 2005 to 41% in 2015. No doubt the rate is kind of not so well, but then also it is declining. This is a good thing. Now if we talk about Latin American countries, the ratio of poverty has also been declined from 10% in 2005 to 4% in 2015. You can see this graph also. Here you can see different countries categorized according to the region they belong. तो उस रीजन के अकॉर्डिंग, और चाइना को स्पेसिफिकली वहाँ पर अलग से लिखा है बिकॉज इट हैज अ ग्रेट डिक्लाइनेशन. Now if you talk about some socialist country like Russia, there also you can see people under poverty in different countries as defined by international poverty. There also no doubt poverty is available but declining very well. Now UN means United Nations. They have a you can say a goal for sustainable development. Sorry, sustainable development is getting developed without damaging the environment, at the same time without making the future generation compromise with the resources. अब उन्होंने sustainable development के according they have this goal to reduce the international or global poverty, or to remove the poverty from not only a particular country but from whole world by 2030. This is their target, that by 2030 they are going to remove the poverty from the globe. This is just a target. Let's see how much they are successful to achieve. So this is it for today.